This film was made by O-Man Productions. D-Dog the cat. I think I'll go on a walk today. Hey, there's a cat on the fence. I'm going to scare the cat. Ha ha ha. Woof! Why did you do that, D-Dog? I was scared. Because I like scaring cats. You'll regret that, D-Dog, later. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Grab. Ha 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 ha. You'll wake up at 9 a.m. I'm so tired. Oh, that cat. The end.